Hi guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some new furniture we recently were able to get. So I'm really excited. We got a new couch and a new bed for our master bedroom. So that's what the first few minutes of this video is going to be. I thought I would include these clips just to have and show you guys the process. So the day we picked these furniture pieces up, it was pouring rain. So it was really hard to get them inside the house and everything was soaked. We were soaked. It was a process, but we got it all done, and I just wanted to show you guys the process. So the couch we got is so nice. It's really comfy and it's an extra deep sofa. So I can't remember the exact brand name, but I can link it down below for you guys. And we got it from the Great American Home Store, as well as our bed is from the Great American Home Store as well. So I love it. It just adds a new touch to our bedroom. I still loved my upholstered headboard, but I really loved this bed. I've been looking at it for a while and it was on sale, and we ended up getting a really good deal on both of these pieces. So I thought I'd show you guys us trying to set up the bed. It really was easy to do, but we worked together and we got it done pretty quickly. However, we weren't able to sleep on it for the first 2 nights because we didn't have a box spring. Our previous bed was a platform bed, so we didn't have a box spring. So thank goodness for Amazon Prime, because they saved my life, and I got a really nice one that you guys will see me put together here in a minute. Something that I was so excited about was having a footboard. Our old bed didn't have one, and I just felt like all my sheets and blankets fell off so easily. I don't know. I was just really excited to have a footboard, and this bed is so nice. We've slept on it the past few nights, and I absolutely love it. And our room just looks so good and more finished now, I guess. So I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I think it just really sets off the room. And yeah, it was really not that bad of a price either. The guy that we worked with did give us an extra 15% off our purchase, so that really helped out. So here you guys are seeing me put together the box spring. It's not a typical box spring. It's called a bed foundation. It actually looks like what our old bed used to look like the platform style. And then it just goes in a case, but it was really easy to set up and really affordable on Amazon too. So I will link that down below for you guys. But highly recommend it. It doesn't make one single squeak like a typical box spring does, and it's actually lightweight but really durable. So highly recommend it. And like I said, I got it in 2-day shipping.
See me as your enemy or see me as your friend. It is 19 months since I was there and held you in my hand. It is 18 since I told you and you took away my name. Now when you saw me, you turned away your head. You won't forgive me, and I will understand now and then. Used to be your future, now you see me as your end. When you're hiding, we're colliding. Better be and stop pretend. I was silent, you were blind. Better leave those fears behind. If you're still bleeding, see me as a friend. You won't believe me, and I will understand now and then.
So it was the next day, and I know I'm making dinner so early. It was only 4:30 in the afternoon, but I got home from school and I was starving, and Aaron was already home, so we just figured we'd have an early dinner. So I'm going to be making lemon shrimp pasta for dinner. And I wanted to show you guys my new toaster. I'm so excited. It shows the countdown. I don't know why, but this made me so happy, so I thought I'd include it. I got it at HomeGoods for $24.99, and we really needed a new toaster, and so far it's amazing. It toasts everything perfectly. Our old one just died. It was so old, but this one's so nice, and you know exactly how much longer you have till your toast or waffles or Pop-Tarts or whatever is done. So I know it's something so simple and stupid, but I really, really like it.
And still today, you will not pretend. You won't believe me, and I will understand now and then.
So the lemon shrimp pasta is a recipe that my mother-in-law got me hooked on. I am obsessed with it. I don't really follow a recipe though. I kind of just make it how I make it. I don't know. So you can kind of follow along, but I can link some similar recipes to what I do down below. But it's so good, and I could eat so much of it, and it's like filling, but it doesn't feel heavy. I don't know. I just love anything that has shrimp in it, and especially with the lemon flavor, it is so, so yummy. So now we're going to get into the cleaning portion. I'm just going to start by picking up the living room. So as you guys can see, we still have our old couch just kind of in the entryway. I'm listing it on Facebook Marketplace, so hopefully somebody will buy it, and if not, we'll figure out a way to like donate it or give it to somebody who can actually use it. But we definitely don't need two couches. We were going to put it upstairs, but it is such a pain to get it up our stairway. So I think that's just not going to happen, and we'll either just have to give it away or donate it or something. But yeah, I'm just really thankful we have a new couch. That other couch lasted us a good while, but it was definitely time for an upgrade. So So I wanted to wipe down all of our countertops, of course, and clean everything off. It always just accumulates so much stuff throughout the week. And then we had the Furbo set up because we were watching the dogs while I was gone to see if they got on the new couch, because we're trying to train them to not lay all over the new couch just because it is so much of a lighter color. And they've done so well so far with like being good about it, and they seem to be okay. So we'll see how long it lasts. So the pillows that it came with are super nice, but they're not necessarily my style. So if you guys have any Amazon or Hobby Lobby pillow cover recommendations, please let me know down below. I found a bunch on Amazon that are in my cart, so I'm just going to kind of wait and see. But I have found one at Target that I really like. It's not a pillow cover, but it's just a regular throw pillow, and I did buy it to see if it would look good, and it does. So that'll be in an upcoming video. But I wanted to know if you guys had any pillow cover recommendations. Just let me know down below or DM them to me. I would love to see what you guys have in your homes.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
So finally, it was time to clean our room. Again, I have to vacuum all the time, but my Dyson vacuum gets everything up. There's so much dog hair and stuff on the floor, and I like to just do this pretty much every other day anyway. Like, I have to vacuum so often. It's just part of being a dog mom, but I totally don't mind it. They make it so worth it.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you.
So it's going to put on our clean sheets. These sheets are actually from Target. I don't remember what brand they are. I think they're Threshold. But I noticed when I was putting them on, there was like a tiny little rip in it. So that's kind of disappointing already that they have a rip in it. So I don't know. I really need to get some new sheets. So I need to look on Amazon for that as well, because sheet sets can get very expensive, especially for like a queen or king size bed. They can be upwards of like $60, $70 for a decent set. And I know some are way more than that. Been getting so much rain lately, so my floors were disgusting. So once I vacuumed everything really good, I went over it with my steam mop. I just had to buy some new steam mop like pads and the little scent discs that go in them. I love steam mopping my floors. They just feel so much cleaner and sanitized, especially since I've had so many muddy paws running around all my floors.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
My house is all clean and I love our new furniture. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love to have you guys here on my channel, and I hope you're excited for some upcoming fun videos. I have a few new ones planned that are going to be going up pretty soon, so I hope you guys will subscribe and stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.